Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Welcome aboard. I'll take your family to the business class cabin. Please follow me this way.
Wow, look at the planes!
Are we gonna see the sunset from the sky?
Yes, we are, sweetie. It's gonna be beautiful.
Welcome to the business class cabin. Please have a seat.
Dad, the seats are so big. Is this our cabin?
Yes, boy. We fly in business class today.
Wow, it feels like a little room, not just a seat. This is amazing and comfortable for a long flight.
Look, we can watch movies right here.
Here is a blanket for you. Use it if you feel cold, ma'am. That's so nice. Thank you. Would you like soda or lemonade, little boy?
Soda, please. Today feels like a dream. Wow, the meal looks so neat and pretty. The flight attendants are so elegant and kind. Can we always travel like this?
Dear guests, we'll land in Dubai in 30 minutes.
Oh my God, what a high tower!
That is Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world.
So the tallest tower in the world is in Dubai. Look, it's a huge leaf on the sea surface.
That is Palm Jumeirah, a famous man-made island.
Such a wonderful place. I want to explore Dubai right now. Everything looks high, clean, and so modern here.
Look there. Those supercars are very rare and expensive.
Do you guys want to try the traditional clothes here?
Let's try local clothes and learn the culture.
Please try these. They are traditional clothes from here.
Mom, these clothes feel light and beautiful. Dad, we look so different, but I like it.
Now I will show you another exciting place.
These are some of the most modern race cars today.
I cannot believe I can see them with my own eyes! Mom, what if something bad happens on the track?
The drivers wear strong safety gear, and the cars are protected too.
Many smart tools help keep them as safe as possible.
They're so fast! This is scary and cool.
Come on! What an exciting race!
Is this a royal palace? It looks so grand.
No, this is the Sheikh Zayed Mosque, a very famous mosque.
And we forkir hisamagand harn. Many people here follow Islam, so this place is very important. Before we enter, we must take off our shoes.
Mom, why do I need this scarf?
Because we have to respect this holy place and the culture in every local place.
It is so quiet, bright, and beautiful inside. That crystal chandelier is giant! I have never seen one like this.
I want to remember every corner of this place.
Please don't take photos here. People are praying.
You are right. We mustn't disturb anyone here.
Dubai is exciting, but it also teaches respect. What impressed you most about Dubai? Tell us below.
Travel is better when we enjoy and learn at the same time.
Thank you for joining our family trip to Dubai.